HD, Full HD, 2K, but now 4K resolution. Okay, now this comes from a brand that has an 83% high customer satisfaction rating. The brand that's been trusted by the world's most famous automakers. The first 4K dash cam from Thinkware. Introducing U1000. So, what's so different about this dash cam compared to the others? 24 days of long parking mode. You can still go on a trip for a couple of weeks and come back, and this thing will still record every impact on your car. It can even communicate with smartphones, showing live view right on the screen. You can even find your car location, and it's updated every 10 seconds. Ha! Not so normal, it's a very special dash cam. We've been waiting for this dash cam for a long time, right? Small device that brings big change. Thinkware Dash Cam U1000.
The 422GW features 1440p 2K high resolution, really capturing all of that information whilst you're out driving. The 2.5-inch touchscreen makes it easy to set up and to view back your footage via the screen directly. The dash cam can connect directly via Wi-Fi to your phone using the My Nextbase Connect app. Great for when you're on the go, if you need to download and send your footage to your friends, your insurance company, or even the police. This also features our Nextbase Emergency SOS, our groundbreaking technology that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident, your phone will directly contact the emergency services, even with details like your blood type, to make sure an ambulance is with you on the scene of an incident. Our intelligent parking feature ensures that even when you're outside your vehicle, if an impact or a jolt is sensed, this will start recording. It also includes Alexa built in, so with your voice, you can safely play music, ask for directions, and even control your dash cam. And with the My Nextbase player, which is free to download on your computer, you can edit and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times per second, all of your data is completely and utterly accurate. So let's take a look at this in the car. Now, our patented click and go technology means that this is the simplest camera to put into your car and take out again with no fuss whatsoever. Let's take a look at it. And as we can see, it's very, very easy to get your dash cam in and out of your car. And with our patented magnetic click and go mount, you can simply install and remove as such. The cable goes around your roof lining and connects to your car power. And with this particular model, the 422GW, we recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this will support up to 128 gigabytes. This model also supports all of our rear view cameras. First of all, our cabin camera slips into the side and records all movement within your vehicle. Secondly, is the rear view camera using a telephoto lens to record everything happening behind your car. Finally, we have our rear window camera. It adheres to the inside of your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your vehicle. So with the 422GW dash cam in your car, you can ensure that you keep you and your family safe and prove any incident wasn't your fault.
Introducing the Blackvue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dash cam. The quality you've come to expect from a Blackvue dash cam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the Blackvue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. The optional connectivity module unlocks Blackvue Cloud Lite for your dashcam. You'll be able to enjoy the added benefit of push notifications and remote access without needing an additional data plan. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dash cam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. Blackvue DR590X series. High-quality dash cam, simplified. Find yours at blackvue.com.
Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera, your roadside eyewitness.
Hey everyone, Seth coming to you from the Kenwood Training Department. Today I'm excited to introduce our newest dash cam, the DRV-A301W. This dash cam records in full HD picture quality and includes integrated GPS and new wireless link technology, as well as a detachable magnetic mount system. Today I simply want to show you what comes inside of the box so that you can get a better understanding of what this product has to offer. You'll first see that it includes a 13-foot power plug that you would plug into your 12-volt style socket in your vehicle. Now, you can power the dash cam this way, or you can use our optional hardwire kit, the CA-DR1030. Next, you'll see the 4-foot data transfer cable. This is a USB to micro USB cable. You would plug the micro USB into the top of the camera itself when transferring data to the computer. You'll also notice on the top of the dash cam is an optional AV output. Now, on the side of the dash cam is going to be the pre-installed micro SD card. It's a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. However, you can install up to a 256 gigabyte micro SD card. You'll notice on the front of the camera itself, there's a little tab with a rubber insert. This is where you will place the detachable magnetic mount system. And then on the back side of the dash cam is the screen itself and all of the buttons. One of the great features about this dash cam is it does have image reversal. So if you needed to mount this dashboard camera upside down, you could go into the settings and simply reverse the image. Next, you're going to see 4 plastic mounting tabs with 3M adhesive back tape. This is used to simply route your wiring. Easier wire management. Next, you're going to see 2 included mounts. First is going to be the fixed mount. The fixed mount includes 3M backed adhesive tape, as well as 2 additional 3M tapes. Then you'll see the suction cup mount. Next, you're going to see the detachable magnetic mount system. Now on this, you will see on the side is where you will plug the power cable into. Next, you'll take the detachable magnetic mount and simply locks right into place on the front of the dashboard camera. Anytime you wish to remove the dashboard camera, you can simply unsnap and you have the dashboard camera free. You'll also see that we include a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, as the Kenwood DRV-A301W includes a 1-year warranty. Now be sure to check out our other Kenwood DRV-A301W video to learn more about what this dash cam has to offer. For example, being able to connect your Android or iOS device using the new Kenwood Dashboard Cam Manager app, and then you can simply connect your phone to the dash camera right inside of your vehicle, instantly edit videos, and then upload them to social media, never having to take the dashboard camera out of the vehicle or the micro SD card to use the PC-style Kenwood Video Player app. This app also allows you to do all sorts of great things, including the ability to access locational and speed data using Google Maps. So be sure to check out that video. Well, as always, thanks everyone for tuning in, and we'll look forward to seeing you again next time.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.